In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen task in Asana. Maybe you marked something as done a little too soon, or a bit of new information came in and you need to pick the work back up. Reopening a task in Asana is quick, but it helps to know exactly where completed items live and how to reveal them before you switch a task back to active. Start by deciding where you're working, either inside a specific project or in your personal My Tasks view. Both places work the same way. Once you're there, look to the top toolbar and click the filter button. By default, Asana hides finished work to keep your lists clean, so this filter is the key to bringing those completed items back into view. In the filter options, choose completed tasks to see only items that have been finished, or pick all tasks if you want to see everything at once. All tasks is helpful in busy spaces because it lets you confirm the task's current state in context, while completed tasks gives you a focused list of just the finished work. After you make your selection, you'll notice tasks with a green checkmark circle indicating they're marked complete. Those are the ones you can reopen. Next, find the specific task you want to bring back to life. When you spot it, click the green checkmark circle next to the task's name. That single click unchecks the task, immediately changing it from completed to incomplete. You'll see the checkmark clear, and the task will return to your active list, ready for you or your team to continue working on it. If your current filter is showing only completed items, don't be surprised if the task disappears from the list right after you uncheck it, because it's no longer completed, it simply drops out of that filtered view. This action doesn't delete or reset any of the task's details. Assignees, due dates, comments, attachments, and subtasks remain intact. You've only changed its status back to active. That way you can pick up exactly where you left off without recreating anything. If you click the check mark and nothing happens, it usually means you don't have permission to edit that task in the project. In that case, you'll need someone with the right access to make the change for you. Otherwise, you're all set. That's all there is to it. Reveal your completed items with the filter button, select completed tasks or all tasks so you can see what's finished, then uncheck the green check mark circle on the task you want to reopen.